Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is NENYE'S. So in today's video, I'll be making our delicious red velvet cake. So you guys should stay tuned as I get started. Firstly, I started off by adding half cup of liquid milk. Then I added 2 tablespoons of white vinegar, and I went ahead and mixed it and set it aside. Next, I added 1 cup of flour. Then I added 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder, and also I added 1 tablespoon of baking powder. Then I began to sieve all 3 together. After sieving and mixing it very well, I went ahead and break 2 large eggs and began to separate the egg yolk from the egg whites. Here, I'm done separating the egg yolk from the egg white. Then after, I went ahead and poured the egg white inside a big bowl and began to beat it with my with my cake mixer. So then I added my sugar. You can put it in batches or you can put it all at once, and began to mix until the sugar dissolves. Next, I added my egg yolk and began to mix, after which I added the buttermilk, which is the liquid milk and the white vinegar that was mixed together. While beating the mixture, I added half cup of vegetable oil. Then I added half tablespoon of strawberry flavor and also 1 tablespoon of red food coloring. And then I began to beat until it combined. Here, I'm done mixing. It's time for me to add the flour. Then after adding the flour, I've stirred it very well. After adding the flour, I'm supposed to use the spatula to turn or to stir, but I didn't have it at home, and then I decided to use the cake mixer to blend the whole process and like to turn the whole thing, and it actually came out nice. After pouring the batter into a pan, but that depends on the size of pan you have at home. Here, I'm using a size 10 pan. The essence of me doing this tapping is to remove all the bubbles, and then after, I will put it inside a preheated pot. Like I'm going to use the pot and not the oven for those that don't have oven at home. And yeah, finally my red velvet cake is ready. Oh my goodness, it looks so yummy. Hi, welcome back to NENYE'S diary once more. Welcome back to NENYE'S kitchen, NENYE'S food, anything, like welcome back to my everything. So I'm done with making of the red velvet cake. As you guys can see, the cake came out so nice. Like, oh my goodness, I'm proud of myself right now. I'm so proud of myself. Oh my goodness, like it's an epic work. I did an epic work. If you really enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. And also don't forget to click on the notification bell down below to get my notification anytime my video goes live. So you guys should stay tuned and see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.